Hello, this is Glenn Gruby with the Functional Health and Acupuncture Institute, and today I wanted to explain a little bit about functional medicine. And now you may or may not have heard this term before, but I think it's important to know because this is an approach that is really becoming a premier tool for preventing and alleviating chronic pain and disease. Basically, functional medicine is an evolution in medicine that better addresses the problem of chronic diseases that we're faced with in the 21st century. It's really a patient-centered approach that does not focus on identifying a disease, but rather the root causes of your condition and treating the whole person. Functional medicine practitioners, by design and necessity, spend a lot of time with their patients. So whereas a visit, for example, to a conventional doctor may last 5 or 10 minutes, a visit with a functional medicine practitioner can last an hour, sometimes longer, where they're listening to your story and looking at the interaction between your genetics, your environment, and your lifestyle. And this really helps to get to the root cause of why you don't feel well. And then they can also help you and teach you what you can do about it to improve your health. So this drawing conveys how conventional medicine might approach a case. Conventional medicine focuses on really identifying the disease name, giving it a name, and then deciding on a type of treatment, usually a predetermined type of treatment like drugs or surgery that's best to treat your symptoms. But the doctor really doesn't ask why you got sick in the first place. But with functional medicine, we dig through the dirt and try to determine what is causing your body to dysfunction and why you don't feel well. But this is an important question to ask because asking why is really what will lead you to getting better. So why do we need functional medicine? Well, as you know, the cost of healthcare continues to skyrocket, and yet we continue to get sicker and sicker. Obesity, diabetes, autoimmune disease, and mental illnesses all continue to rise, sometimes exponentially, despite the enormous amounts of money spent on healthcare. We need a better system that can identify the causes of these disease states and offer ways to prevent them, and also ways to help improve health once they have set in. Functional medicine does this, and it produces really amazing results for all types of chronic conditions. Now, of course, there will always be acute and traumatic events, and we need our current medical system for that because it's really good at fighting fires and saving lives. Just like a firefighter comes to put the fire out when your house is on fire, save your house. But after that happens, and after the fireman has left, you need somebody to help rebuild your house. Are you going to ask the fireman to do that? Not really. He's really not equipped for that. Instead, you need a repairman or maybe a handyman to rebuild your house and also make it safer, make sure it doesn't burn down again. Similarly, our current medical system is really like the firefighter, not equipped with the tools to help you get better, but they are equipped with tools to save your life. So we need both systems, including a system to help you get better and a system that helps to address chronic lifestyle-induced illnesses. So how is functional medicine different? Well, functional medicine really understands that the body is a series of systems that all work together as a whole, just like this set of cogs works together to make a machine work. And if there's a breakdown at any one part, the whole machine stops working. There's a saying in functional medicine that anything can cause anything, meaning all the body systems are interrelated, and a breakdown in one area can have consequences in many other areas. So what does this look like in terms of how we would approach a case? Well, typically you'd see an onset of problems like this. This is just one example. You might see stress hormones at the root of a problem. This can be precipitated by some traumatic events like a death, a divorce, or just working too hard. And over time, this can, or sometimes very rapidly, can affect your gut, your gastrointestinal tract. It decreases your immune response. It lowers your immunity. You can start to have digestive related disturbances even if you don't feel any problems with your digestion, and your body is producing more and more toxins, and then your detox systems get overwhelmed and things start to break down. Interestingly, this is very similar to Chinese medicine's approach. Really, Chinese medicine, we would say, is the original functional medicine. And similar to this last drawing, we would look at the systems of the kidneys, the digestion and the liver as very important root causes of many types of diseases. In Chinese medicine, our job is to get to the root of your issues as well. And so in my practice, I will use Chinese medicine principles and sometimes use acupuncture and herbs as part of a therapy, and or using the modern interpretations and the modern tools of functional medicine. And together they really make a fantastic combination that can help to restore health and prevent illness. So I want to thank you for listening to this short video. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more about this topic, you can look us up online at FHAInstitute.com or give us a call at our office. Thank you.